high-performance automatic off-road compressor, model 40045, 12V, 150 psi, 35, tires. The 400P Portable Truck Air Compressor is 12V heavy-duty electric air compressor for off-road enthusiasts. Its powerful, direct-drive gearless motor and maintenance-free operation are perfect for tackling tough terrain. Ultra-compact and storable in its own carrying case. Explore without limits, trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, off-road vehicles, 4x4s, side-by-sides, RVs, motorcycles, road bikes and mountain bikes. Instructions: attach the battery clamps to your vehicle's battery, and start the engine. Connect to a valve stem and turn the unit on. When required, use the included bicycle Presta valve adapter. Included components: 12V mini air compressor tire inflator has a 25 feet 5-in-1 inflator, deflator air hose with inline 100 psi gauge, 8 feet power cord, deluxe dual compartment carry bag, 3 inflation tips, 3/16 nozzle, 5/16 nozzle, and needle adapter, and Presta valve adapter. Features: aluminum I-beam sand tray, thermal overload protector, 40 amp inline fuse holder, press on tire chuck. High capacity specs for large tires. Powered by 12 volts, this small but mighty electric air compressor with a permanent magnetic motor delivers a maximum working pressure of 150 psi, with a 33% duty cycle at 100 psi, free flow capacity 2.3 cfm, maximum recommended tire size 35. Fills a 35 tire from 15 to 30 psi in 2 minutes, 45 sec or less. IP54 rating protects against dust and water spray from any direction. Dimensions: 10.87 L x 5.83 W x 7.48 H, 10.70 lbs. Dependable quality. VIAIR off-road compressors offer you the freedom to explore further and challenge boundaries. For over 25 years, our American-owned and operated company has provided top-quality portable air compressors and inflators. Our commitment to durability, continuous testing, and refinement results in long-lasting performance.